So, hi guys! Hello! Hello everyone! Mega love shoutout. At andito ako para batiin ng ating kapatid na si Sis Carol Siloterio. Mega love shoutout sis at sa lahat na dito ngayon. So, it's your special day! Happy birthday Sis Carol! Thank you dahil nagkakilala tayo dito sa YT. It's been like 1.5 years. So, grabe no, super duper solid. Salamat sisa, salamat talaga. Salamat sa lahat ng love and support mo sa akin. Sa tiwala, sa pagmamahal. Thank you so much Sis Karen. And I hope na magkakita-kits tayo soon kung ano yung okay na yung panahon na when matatapos na yung yung pandemic o mga ganyan. Sana magkita-kits tayo kasi magkalapit lang din tayo at saka lang dito lang. So sana one day magkakita-kits tayo. So pagdasal natin yan at yan ay matutupad. So sis, thank you so much for everything and happy birthday to you. I wish you for more birthdays to celebrate, good health and be happy always. Alam ko naman na masayahin ka at kasama mo yung pamilya mo, so you are very happy. So God bless your family sis and ingat po kayo palagi. So let's stay connected dito sa mundo ng YT and hope to see you in person. So God bless you sis and I love you so much. Take care. Bye.
Happiest birthday, Ate Karel. I wish you all the love, all the happiness around the world. Yes, you're blessed to have your family there. So keep safe always, Ate Karel. We are always here for you. The team Kulkul, we're always here for you, supporting your channel. I may not able to attend your premiere kasi maaga siya. Natutulog pa yung lubot ko dito. So ang aga niyan, Ate Karel, 5:30 tulog pa ako niyan. Especially matagal ako matulog around 1 or 2 a.m. na. So 5:30 a.m. I'm still asleep on that time. So replay na lang talaga. At sorry minsan di ako makabakas pero talagang nagre-replay ako sa mga videos. And yes, Ate Karel, so that's all. Really happy to be your friend here in YouTube. Thank you so much for all your support. Minsan nagbibigay ka ng mga videos sa akin, so I really appreciate your effort din. So love you, Ate Karel, and always keep safe. Bye for now. See you around in YouTube world.
Hi, Ate Carol! Happy birthday! It's me, Crystal Wonderlust Diary. Sorry, medyo pa ako haggard ngayon. Dito pa kasi ako sa parlor. Happy birthday, Ate! Love you so much. Thank you for all your efforts and replying on my channel. And I wish you nothing but all the best in your birthday. May God bless you always. More blessings to come. More subscribers, more memberships to come in your channel. And I love you so much. Thank you for everything, for always support on my channel and giving me anong tawag to? Palipad. Thank you so much, Ate. Love you. Greetings from Crystal Wonderlust Diary. I'm here to say hello. Sarang Dio. Love you. Happy birthday!
Hi, Ate Karen Siloterio. Happy birthday! Ayan, so ilang taon na. Ayan, happy birthday, Ate. God bless you always. Thank you always sa pag-support mo sa akin. And pasensya ka na-absent ako sa iyong mga premiere pero babawi ako. Happy birthday, Ate. God bless you. I wish you all the best.
Hey guys, it's me, Kuya Parts. I would like to greet a special happy birthday to our special friend, my best friend in the YouTube community, Sis Carrie Soterio. Happy birthday, and God bless you always. Of course, praying and wishing you more birthdays to come, and happiness and success in everything that you do. And big love shout out to Bro Hi Guys TV for this wonderful opportunity, chance to be with you. A wonderful happy birthday. Sis Carrie Soterio, happy birthday from the bottom of my heart. And this is Kuya Parts. Hello everyone, Kuya Parts here. Just a special birthday greetings to a very special friend, my best friend in YouTube community, and of course not just YouTube, but in real life. To my very special kumari, sister, best friend in the YouTube, Sis Carol Solitario. So happy, a wonderful, amazing, happy birthday to you, Sis Carol Solitario. I'm praying that God will bless you with more success and happiness in everything that you do. And thank you for everything. Since day one of my YouTube journey, you are always there up to this very moment of time. So what can I ask more from a very good friend, special friend, Komare, Sis Carol Solitario. So I want nothing but the best for you, especially on this special day of yours. So happy birthday, and I'm praying you that God will continue to shower His bounteous blessings upon your head and into your whole family. And thank you so much for all your kindness. You are one of the kindest, nicest, most amazing friends that I have ever met in this life. Thank you so much. So happy birthday, and this is me, Kuya Parts.
Hello everyone! Magandang buhay po sa lahat. Katatapos ko lang ng trabaho ngayon. So, this is a special message kasi nahingan po ako ng isa sa ating host. Walang iba kundi si Kuya Hi Guys TV. So, this is the day and this is the special day ng ating isa sa mga kaibigan at isa sa aking napaka-generous na super chatter. So, once again, I would like to greet Ate Karil Siloterio because today is she's birthday. So, Ate Karil, happy birthday to you, and mag-iingat ka lagi dyan, and stay humble, stay kind, at always smile lang, enjoy your life dyan sa saan ka mong bansa nandun. So, ito si Chinese TV. Once again, bumabati sa iyo ng isang maligayang kaarawan. And enjoy your day. Enjoy your special day with your friends and with your family. And enjoy sa work. At mag-iingat palagi. Yun lang ang laging bilin ng isang kaibigan. Mag-iingat palagi. At yan. Advance Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you. We love you, Ate Karil. And once again, happy birthday and thanks for being a friend. And Kuya Hi Guys TV, thank you for being a part of these greetings. Katatapos ko lang po ng trabaho. So, si Kuya Hi Guys nag-message sa akin kasi yun nga, meron siyang sorpresa na mensahe para kay Ate Karil. So, this is it. And thanks God. And thanks po sa lahat na nagmamahal kay Ate Karil. We love you, Ate Karil. Thank you so much for being a friend and for being my generous super chatters. Thank you so much, and we love you. Happy birthday once again. Enjoy your day, and more cakes to slice, and more years to come. More birthdays to come. God bless you more, and keep safe always. Bye! Bye!
Hi, Carol Solitario. Happy birthday to you. Good health and more blessings to you and to your family. Happy birthday, sis. Love you. Oh, yun.
Aka Teen Health Beauty Tips. O, diba? Ayan sis, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. This is your day. More blessing to come dahil napakabuti mong tao. Yun, di ba? Inside and outside. Totoong tao ka. And never kang wala makikitang ibang ugali. Thank you so much, Sisi. This is your day. Happy lang. Magpapansit ka, Sisi. And God bless. Bye-bye.
Hello guys. Mag-retouch muna tayo guys. Yeah. Yeah. Okay na. Bagong gising guys. This is the reality. So guys, I'm here with you, in front of you. Good morning, good day, and magandang buhay sa inyo. Hope that you are watching this video, you are in a good condition and safe. So guys, it's me, Hi Guys TV. Dito ako guys para batiin ang aking kaibigan sa YT na si Miss Karel Solitario ng happy birthday. So, Ate Karel, happy birthday. Wish you all the best, all success in your life, more birthdays to come, and more blessings, especially to your family. Always protect ka ni God sa lahat na inyong magpapangkin or anong nice, especially for this pandemic. So, Ate Karel, happy birthday. Thank you always for your support to my channel. And God bless you. Wish you all the best. More subscriber and revenues, reviews, and thanks for all sharing your good videos in your Facebook pinupuntahan mo. Maraming salamat. But by your video is parang na kami namamasyal. So once again, happy birthday and God bless you. Hi guys, TV. Make a shout out din good food from mga Chinese movies. And happy birthday, Ate Karel.